The C1 Bel Canto, or Beautiful Song in Italian, is Christopher Ward's chiming watch. Also known as Sonnerie au passage or hour strike, the Bel Canto chimes audibly to mark each passing hour. Let's take a closer listen. At the top of the Bel Canto's display, the time floats on a suspended subdial. On the inside edge of the case is the chime spring, which chimes when hit by the hammer seen on the lower left. On the side of the case is the on-off pusher for the chime, whose state can be read from the display on the lower right. Where the original Bel Canto features a Sonnerie finish, the Bel Canto Classic has a guilloche style pattern. The Bel Canto is water resistant to 3 ATM or 30 meters, which means you can use it when washing your hands, for example, but not in the shower or swimming. The Bel Canto has a mechanical movement, which means it needs to stay wound to run. As it is automatic, it will keep itself wound through everyday wearing. If it is run out of power after a period of no use, it will need to be wound manually to restart it. To wind it manually, turn the crown clockwise 30 to 40 times from empty. It does not have a screw down crown. To set the time, pull the crown away from the case until it stops. Turn the crown in either direction to the desired time. For precise time setting, we recommend passing the desired minute, then moving the hand backwards slightly. Make sure to push the crown back in after winding and setting so it's flush against the case. If you have set the time on your Bel Canto by going backwards from where it was originally set, it may skip the first hourly chime. This is normal. When the chime is turned on by pressing the pusher on the side of the case, your watch will chime on the hour every hour until the pusher is pressed again to turn it off. When the indicator on the bottom right of the display is pointing up, the chime is on. When the indicator is down, the chime is off. You can turn it on and off using the pusher on the side of the case at any time. When you turn the chime on using the pusher, your watch will also chime on demand, unless it's between 25 minutes past and the hour. If you have any further questions or need more help, you can find all our video guides on our website.